Again repeating, those who are part of the performer list and those who have not paid the fees are not eligible to attend the exam today. Right? Again, good morning. Let's proceed with today's agenda. Okay, it's almost 8 now. We'll start with the GD. We have 29 members in our slot. Okay, out of the 29 members, I'm gonna call out four teams, 4 into 7 maybe, right? So that's the plan. Each team will have 6-7 minutes for the GD. So take your chance. Don't wait for your turn. Jump in. Give your best. You'll just get 1 or 2 chance at the most. Okay, GD will be the first in the agenda. By the time we finish with the GD, all of you must be ready with your PPT. So PPT again will be an individual assessment. Please be ready. I believe by 8:40 we should start oral presentation. When we start oral presentation, we will parallelly start our Viva. We have our external examiner here. Good morning, ma'am. Rishika, ma'am.
Good morning, sir.
Morning. Thank you for joining us, ma'am. So by 8:40, Rishika ma'am will start Viva, which will be interview questions, HR interview questions. She will choose to call out your names randomly or whatever order she feels fit. We will have to complete the exam by 9:55, so that even if you have another exam by 10 o'clock, you will be able to, finish on time and then move on to the next exam. Hope all the instructions are clear. I'm repeating again. Those who are part of the performer list and those who have not paid the fees, performer list, which includes both internal failures and attendance issues, plus those who have not paid the fees are not eligible to take the exam today. Even if you do, your marks will not be considered for publishing. I made it very clear. Right. We'll start. Ma'am, as we discussed yesterday, once the GD is over, maybe by the time we can share the
I will share
link.
the link to.
Yeah, we can share the link to
Okay,
the
sure.
students so that they will join your link to give their Viva, and then again they will join here to complete their oral
Okay, sir.
presentation. In the meanwhile, students, whenever you get a chance, finish your verbal part as well, which is the only thing where which will be considered from Moodle. All the others will be live assessment. You don't have to upload your PPT anywhere. You don't have to upload any links anywhere, except for verbal part, which is 15 MCQs. I think one MCQ is wrongly uploaded in interview pod. I'm not sure. Maybe if it has been rectified already. But 15 MCQs is what you will be attending in Moodle, and you need to give final attempt. Unless otherwise you give final attempt, your marks will not reflect in Moodle. I request again to ensure finish your attempt, even if it is halfway through our 2-hour duration. Even by 9 o'clock you can give finish attempt in Moodle. That doesn't mean your exam is over. Your live assessment will keep happening till 9:55. Hope I made it very clear. Final attempt is a must. It doesn't matter if you are still performing your oral presentation or Viva is pending. Doesn't matter. Verbal part, if you complete, you can give your final attempt. Hope all of you got your oral presentation topic already. Yes? I'm asking you guys, have you got your oral presentation topic?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Right. So I'll get the attendance done right now.
Yes, sir.
Ashwati is here.
Sir, shall we start, sir?
Yes, yes, please, please. Ashwati is here. Ashwati has not joined. Ashwati, please respond with your attendance, please. Can someone check, please?